Hey everyone, Andrew here from Middle Fire Adventures, coming to you from the back of the car. I've got a new little product to have a look at. It's Patriot Campers Screw Peg Kit. So, look, camping, we camp in tents. I don't have a Patriot camper, maybe one day, not at the moment. But they have this really cool peg kit. Comes in this great little canvas bag with handles, and it's got a little pocket at the back here, try and zip, and you've got a little attachment for a 13mm end, and then in the bag you've got, it's got to be about 35 of these screw pegs. So why do you need these, you might ask? Look, if you go camping, surely you've come across a dirt patch or grass that's exceptionally hard, and regardless how strong your pegs are, you've bent a few pegs. Lying if I didn't say I'd had the odd tantrum trying to get pegs into hard grounds. And I saw the video there for these guys, and they retail for $79.99, and I thought that's definitely worth giving it a crack. So there's 35 of them. There are some other brands out there I think that maybe made a little bit more durable. They cost a lot more though, so for $79.99 for 35 plus your little attachment, the nice little bag, definitely thought it was worthwhile giving it a try. It's not going to work on the beach, obviously. These aren't designed for the beach, but it will absolutely work on the grass and any hard dirt. If you've got an impact driver, my little Ryobi one here. So let's try to do this one-handed. Right, just a sec. There we go. So now, oof, look at that. Far more enjoyable than bashing pegs. So it's a Patriot Campers, it's a peg kit. You get the canvas bag, get 35 of these pegs. In the back you got the little spot for the 13mm attachment. And look, for $79.99, I definitely can give it a go. The other thing that this has is this blue looking end to it. So these are glow in the dark. So not only will you not have the stress of potentially trying to get pegs into the ground when they won't go, your chances of clipping one of the pegs barefooted will be reduced because these glow in the dark. Now, I haven't used it yet. It only just turned up recently, given I've still got the box. But look, first impressions look great. They're not super heavy. They're meant to be, I believe they're about 14 centimeters, thereabouts. Again, the end there is a 13mm end, and it does come with the attachment there that I've now got on my impact driver. Look, once I've got them out and I've camped with them, I'll do a follow-up there on how they're going and whether I'd recommend them. But at this stage, I do like the bag. The zipper setup here I think is made, I don't know if you can get that, but it's got the fabric over it there, so that would reduce your sand, etc. getting in there. The bag does feel good. Again, there's 35 odd of them in there. But yeah, once I've used them, I'll do a follow-up video and I'll let you know what I think. So that's the Patriot Campers Peg Kit for your screw pegs. Hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, pop them down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.